Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best Ryobi battery is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools in any DIYer's arsenal, offering unparalleled freedom and power to tackle a vast range of projects, from intricate home repairs to ambitious outdoor endeavors, ensuring you're never limited by cords or runtime when inspiration strikes. Number 5. Ryobi 18V Battery and Charger Replacement. Introducing our high-capacity 3.6Ah battery and charger, designed as a perfect replacement for your Ryobi 18V power tools. Experience reliable performance for all your projects. This set is engineered for seamless compatibility with a wide range of Ryobi 18V batteries, including models P102 through P109. It also replaces various Ryobi 18V chargers like the P113, P117, and P118. Monitor your battery's status with ease thanks to the smart LED indicator. It clearly displays charging progress, from standby to fully charged, and even alerts you to defective batteries. With a universal AC input ranging from 100V to 240V, this charger is ready for use anywhere. It delivers a powerful output current of 3A for Li-ion and 2A for NICD-NMH batteries. We stand behind the quality of our replacement battery and charger. Should you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to contact us for prompt assistance. What we like. This option offers broad compatibility with many Ryobi 18V battery models. Its smart LED indicator keeps you informed about the charging status. If you need a reliable and compatible replacement for your existing Ryobi charger and battery, this is a solid choice. What people say. The battery life is excellent, lasting for several hours on a single charge during demanding tasks. The charger is compact and charges the batteries relatively quickly, which is convenient for continuous use. The battery system is versatile, compatible with a wide range of Ryobi 18V tools, making it a cost-effective choice for expanding a tool collection. Number 4. Ryobi 1 Plus 18V Lithium-ion Battery and Charger Kit. Introducing the Ryobi 1 Plus 18V system. One battery powers over 225 tools, offering ultimate versatility for any job. Get more done with a single, powerful solution. Experience the freedom of cordless power. This system delivers fade-free performance comparable to corded tools, so you can tackle any DIY project without limitations. Don't let charging slow you down. With up to 1.5 times more runtime, you can power through your tasks without interruption. Get back to work in under an hour. Its intelligent charging technology ensures a fast charge while protecting the battery for maximum lifespan. Work with confidence, no matter the weather. This battery performs exceptionally even in extreme conditions, delivering consistent power when you need it most. This kit includes the essential battery and charger, providing everything you need to get started with the Ryobi 1 Plus system. What we like. This kit is designed for ultimate versatility, powering over 225 tools with a single battery. Experience true cordless freedom and enjoy fast charging under an hour. If you're looking to invest in a comprehensive system that simplifies your tool collection and maximizes efficiency, this is the one for you. What people say. The battery life is excellent, lasting for hours on a single charge, which is perfect for extended projects. The charger is fast and efficient, fully charging the battery in under an hour, minimizing downtime. The combo pack offers great value, providing a reliable battery and a quick charger for all your Ryobi 18V tools. Number 3. Ryobi P118V 18V Charger and P189 18V Battery Combo Pack. Introducing the Ryobi 18V Battery Charger and Battery Combo Pack. This essential duo is designed to keep your tools powered up and ready to go. This package includes the P118V charger and the P189 1.5Ah battery. Please note that the tool itself is not included in this offer. It's part of the versatile Ryobi 1 Plus power tool system. This means the charger is compatible with all 1 Plus batteries. The P118V charger is designed for efficiency. It can charge all 1 Plus batteries in 60 minutes or less, minimizing your downtime. The included P189 battery pack provides 1.5Ah of power. Enjoy fade-free performance to tackle your projects with confidence. Don't miss out on this convenient combo pack. Keep your Ryobi tools powered and productive with this reliable charging solution. What we like. This combo pack features a charger that gets all OnePlus batteries charged in 60 minutes or less. The included battery provides 3.0 Ah of fade-free power, integrating seamlessly into the OnePlus system. If you prioritize quick charging and consistent performance within the Ryobi OnePlus ecosystem, this pack is an excellent value. What people say. The battery life is impressive, lasting for extended periods of use on a single charge. The charger is fast and efficient, fully charging the battery in a surprisingly short amount of time. The combo pack offers great value, providing both a reliable battery and a quick charger for all your Ryobi 18V tools. Number 2. Ryobi P108 4.0 Ah battery and P117 dual charger combo. Introducing the Ryobi P108 OnePlus 18V 4.0 Ah lithium-ion battery. Experience long-lasting power for all your Ryobi OnePlus tools. Also included is the P117 OnePlus dual chemistry charger. This charger is designed to handle both lithium-ion and NiCad batteries. This combo set provides you with both a high-capacity battery and a versatile charger. It's everything you need to keep working. Count on Ryobi's renowned performance and durability. This battery and charger combo is built to last and perform. Ensure your Ryobi OnePlus tools are always ready to go. This essential pairing maximizes your tool's potential for any task. What we like. This set includes a high-capacity 4.0 Ah lithium-ion battery and a dual chemistry charger compatible with both lithium-ion and NiCad batteries. If you have a mix of battery types or need a substantial power reserve for longer projects, this combo offers great flexibility and capacity. What people say. The Ryobi 118V battery and charger combo is a great value for the price. I love how quickly the charger charges the batteries. The batteries hold a charge for a long time, which is great for my projects. Number 1. Futurebatt P108 P117 for Ryobi 18V battery combo. Introducing the Futurebatt P108 P117, a powerful 2-pack of 6.0 Ah batteries designed to replace a wide range of Ryobi 18V models. Experience enhanced power and longevity for your tools. These batteries offer extensive compatibility, perfectly replacing numerous Ryobi 12-18V battery part numbers. They also support fast charging, getting you back to work quicker. Our advanced charger features dual USB ports, allowing you to simultaneously charge 2 devices like your cell phone. Its smart IC technology ensures optimal and safe charging for each device. The charger utilizes a smart charging mode with LED indicators to display the charging status and protect against overcharging. It efficiently manages the charging process for a full and effective charge. Designed with your tools in mind, it includes overload protection to safeguard battery cells. A durable cooling system ensures stable heat dissipation for reliable performance. Complying with FCC, RoHS, and CE security standards, this product comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 1-year warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. This combo offers 2 high-capacity 6.0 Ah batteries and a charger with dual USB ports for charging your devices simultaneously. It features smart charging modes and intelligent protection for battery longevity. If you need extended runtimes and the convenience of charging your phone or other USB devices while your batteries charge, this is an ideal solution. What people say. The battery life is excellent, lasting for several hours on a single charge during demanding tasks. The charger is fast, fully recharging the battery in under an hour, which minimizes downtime. The combo pack offers great value, providing a reliable battery and a quick charger for essential Ryobi tools. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.